Say Happy Halloween. That's not saying Happy Halloween. Oh. Oh. Say it for real.
And just make a normal face.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. It pinched me.
Oh dear. Are you taping it?
She just pinched me.
Jordan, you're grounded.
Daddy, she just pinched right here.
Oh, man down! Man down!
Daddy, she
That's it. I quit.
She pinched up here.
Are you okay, Keith?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jordan, no pinching, okay?
Give her a hug.
Dad.
J-Macker, say you're sorry.
Say you're sorry. Oh.
Man down! Man down!
Oh, you're okay. We're going out. Okay, shoes on, please.
Okay, Ralphie.
This is too loud.
Hey, get off! This is not a party.
Happy Halloween!
Seriously? This is chaos! Our house is a mess. It's chaos. It's chaos. I know. It's just chaos.
This is going right on the internet.
No, it's not. Woo! You look super.
Mommy, I'm okay without my wings.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, you need your wings. We need your wings.
But I'm
You
okay
need
without
your wings.
Mommy, I'm okay without my wings.
Do you know where her pumpkin is? Amanda.
Man down. Mommy is quitting. Mommy is boycotting Halloween.
And so